Hello, Modis. How are you? Welcome back to my channel. Today it's a beautiful day here in Cairns. Unfortunately, we're leaving later today, so I'm not gonna be able to enjoy that much. We're gonna have some breakfast right now. My husband got a full English breakfast with eggs, mushroom, sausage, bacon, tomato, spinach, baked beans. And I got a waffle with avocado, scrambled eggs, bacon, and mushroom. It was really, really good. We are going to the Ferris wheel right now. There is no one in it. It's $12 per person or $60 the whole gondola. It's really, really nice. You can just see the whole beach. And I found out why people were not on the ocean yesterday. It's because it is stingray season. There are also crocodiles or alligators. I forgot which one of the animals are in the ocean as well. But it's really, really pretty out. We're going back to Sydney tonight, and tomorrow we are gonna go to New Zealand. We are really, really excited. Good morning, guys. Today we are visiting the University of Sydney before our flight. I really like this old school vibe, but they also have more modern buildings. I really like visiting university campus when I travel. You just get a feel of how the city is inside of campus. And I really like how modern but also old the buildings are. The campus is absolutely beautiful. This place right here looks just like a castle. It's so, so nice. We decided to go on the side of the building, and it's really, really, really beautiful. I particularly like old buildings. I think they are so charming. And this one, you can go inside. They have like stairs, and the windows are so pretty. They have drawings on them, and the columns are so, so nice. And I feel like I am on a Harry Potter movie because this right here, it looks like where they had the battle of Hogwarts. This train station looks very Britain to me. It is really pretty. We're back at Sydney Airport. I got a flatbread with hummus, cookie, cake, and bread. We are at the VIP lounge waiting for our flight. This is so cool. We are on a parallel takeoff. Goodbye, Sydney. You are so beautiful. I will miss you so much. I love when the sky is like this. It's so pretty. We are almost arriving in New Zealand, and oh my god, these mountains are so, so beautiful. We are landing in Queenstown. This view is really pretty. There's a lake and so many mountains. There's also a river. Wow. Good morning, guys. It's 6:50 in the morning. It is completely dark out. We are going to Milford Sound today, and we decided to go on a coach just because it is kind of hard drive. The sun is rising right now over the mountains. Kind of slept for a while, and the sun is already out, and the mountains are so beautiful. We did a brief stop in Tianu. We're back at the coach, and this is the lake of Tianu. It's really, really pretty. We are at the national park now. This mountain is massive. It reminds me of Yosemite in California. It's so beautiful. Another photo stop. This area here it's called Mirror Lakes, and as you can see, the lake is mirroring the mountains, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I don't know if this is the same lake as the Mirror Lakes, but this view is so pretty. The mountains, the lake, the forest. Wow. There's also a lot of waterfalls in the roads, and the color of the water is so blue. I don't think I've ever seen a color like that before. We stopped because we're gonna go through a tunnel, and it's only one lane. Gonna go through these mountains. They are huge, huge.
Comes down through the fissures in the rock, also dragging away those fumes, those exhaust fumes that be up and out of the tunnel. Another phenomenon I've seen with this tunnel when we do the overnighters in here to go Manapuri, we drop off in Manapuri those to go into Milford Sound for the overnight, and then we come down here, drop the ones in.
Look at this view. I have no words. We did a little stop here to take pictures. Amazing. We finally arrived at Milford Sound. Guys, this place, it does not look real. We're gonna go on a boat tour. That's our boat. I don't even know what to say. This place is so amazing. It's the only two places in the world where you can find fjords, glaciers, mountains, and a rainforest. The other place is Patagonia. This is a 2-hour boat cruise. We go all the way to the Tasmanian Sea. If you're lucky, you can see whales, seals, dolphins, turtles, many wildlife around here. But just the mountains and the trees are absolutely gorgeous. Look the color of this water. Unbelievable. If you go during spring or beginning of summer, I think you're gonna be able to see way more waterfalls than we did. We went in the beginning of fall. We're back at the coach right now. It was an amazing tour. This is definitely one of the places I will say to everyone you gotta see at least once in your life. We are almost back to Queenstown, and this is Lake Wakatipu. It's the third largest lake in New Zealand and the longest lake in New Zealand. So pretty. I love the sun setting behind the mountains. We're having dinner right now in a hotel next to ours, and we decided to get a focaccia bread for appetizer. And I ordered a steak that came with salad and some fries. And my husband got lamb, and it came with potato and some other veggies.